Hi, I'm Dustin, technician here at Tipton Ford, here to talk to you about your brakes. So the only real way to get a good inspection of your brakes and how they're wearing is to have the wheels off. So with every inspection we do over here, we'll get you a brake reading and kind of see how they're wearing out. As an example, these brakes here are about 5 millimeters, so what we'll call in the yellow. So they don't need to be replaced immediately, but they are worn enough to where you might start to see a little bit worse performance as far as stopping power goes. And sometimes too we'll catch certain faults like an outer pad wearing more than an inner pad, indicating you've got a caliper problem. And as I said, that's something we'll always do with every inspection once the vehicle's in here. And as always, if there's anything we can do to help, we're just a call or click away at tiptonford.com.
Thank you for watching. You can view our previous videos by clicking in the bottom right, where we give out Tipton tips for vehicle maintenance and allow our viewers to get to know our team members. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and bell to stay notified for our next videos.